911, what's the address of the emergency?
Hello?
Hello, Sacramento Police, what's the address?
1111 24th Street. There's a guy walking around, I can't tell if it's a play gun or a real gun, but it looks like a gun. And he's like, I got a gun, I got a gun.
Okay. Is he waving it at anybody or?
Yeah, he pointed it at the guys at the beer garden. He's pointing it at people as he's walking by. He's walking south on 24th towards L Street, and he's in a yellow top, and he's probably 5 feet tall.
Hold on one second, ma'am. Yep.
He has a gun.
Okay, ma'am, what's his sister do? What race is he?
He might be Asian, I can't tell. He's
How old is
a
he?
little bit dark.
Okay.
He looks like he might be in his 20s.
How tall?
About 5 feet.
Big, medium, or heavy?
It looks like he's small build.
Okay, what color clothing does he have on?
He has a tan overcoat on, jeans, a yellow, bicycling cap, and I think he has an orange shirt on.
Okay.
Update on the 97 weapons on 28th and O.
Where at?
5 of 4 thick built, yellow baseball cap, beige trench coat. That appeared to be a silver handgun.
Hey, get on the ground right now!
31, we got subject running southbound. I'll be running southbound, be resolved.
Get on the ground right now!
28.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! 6, come on! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Hey! Hands! Come on! Go! 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 Get on the ground! Drop it now! Drop it! Get down, get down. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! No, don't grab the gun!
You switch us to the vehicle, please, and we'll come back to this one. 31. Running southbound.
Police canine, don't run, you're getting big.
So just continuing down 28. Coming up on O. Drop the 35, go 3.
Hey, get on the ground, you're gonna get... Hey, get on the...
Get down, get down,
Show
get
your
down.
hands! Show your hands!
Canine today, fired. She's down. We can't tell if the gun's still in her hands or not.
No, don't grab the gun!
Get the cover. Cover.
I can't see then. Stay there.
Ma'am, get out of the
Stay
car.
there.
Get out of the car. Put the car in park, you guys. Get out of the car.
Don't secure my car! Go!
Move up.
Hold on. Who's gonna be?
I got hands.
I'm gonna get the gun away. All right. Who's taking hands? I got hands.
I can do hands.
Hold on.
Glove up. Gloves ready.
Suspect, listen to me.
You're gonna be
If you
hands?
move at all, you're
Okay,
not
you
gonna
need
move
hands.
for that gun. We are going to shoot you again.
Ready?
Ready? Let's go. Slow. Stay with it.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Okay, who's going hands?
Leave it right there. Leave it right there. Leave it right there.
Okay. Hands.
No, I don't like them to me. My leg is shot. My leg is shot.
Who else has here? You don't have gloves, do you? No. Who else has gloves? And I'll help.
Medical kit.
Okay, we
All right, we'll get a medical kit.